This comes from Tidy Me, and it is a garage tool organizer. Comes nicely packaged. So it comes with 3 of these that you place on the wall. And then it comes with 6 of these that go on these brackets so you can hang things. This side right here where you see the little loop, that'll go on top. And then once you mount them, what you do is you'll take this and you just push this on here and then snap it right into place. And you can see it just snaps right in. Each rail can hold 100 pounds. And you want to make sure that you get them in a stud to be able to carry that weight. If you decide you want to move this or take it off, it's actually really simple. You just push up and it comes right off. Same with putting it on again, you just snap it right on, lift up, move it over. Very simple to use. And it comes with drywall screws. It also comes with stud screws.